Today I am going to show PDF fillable form. This is my form, Sarthak website agreement paper. Here you can easily write website name, Sauraha booking.com, types of website like dynamic, menu, which type of menu you require, select, and total amount, and you make one payment or two payment, these options, short note, design, share, this is a short note, and agree, and this signature. You want to check electronic signature, look my video how to make electronic signature. In this way you can make fill up PDF form, and here is a date, you can write date here, so it's date format. So in this way you can make fill up and print this page. Okay, so how to create this one? Here is a software, is called Libera. Libera you can download from your browser, www.LibreOffice.org. This is website. From this website you can free to download the LibreOffice software. LibreOffice like a Microsoft Office, but there is some advanced functions which you can use free of cost. So how to create? You open first this LibreOffice Writer. After that, enable toolbars, is called form control. Go to view menu, toolbars, and form control. After that, enable design view. This is design view, and you can use these tools: label, text box, check box, option button, list box, date, amount. Okay, first I write to heading, okay, Sarthak web soft. This is heading, center, increase size, address, okay, decrease this size of address, and after that agreement paper. This is agreement paper. I make a big, bold, okay, and here down some label. When you need label, choose label, and double click on it, and general, type name, full name, and this text box, make a box here. This is a box, website name, next types of design. Okay, then next text box. Then another one, text box. You can decrease, increase size from here. Okay, and this is design. If you want this list, delete this one, use list box, click and drag, same like this, and same like before, double click and scroll down, try to find list. Where is the list control? List entry. List entry here, static, dynamic, single page, news or blog. Okay, this for type. Okay, how looks like this one? Simply click on design more and you will get preview. You will get like this. Okay, again go design view and go to next, use like checkbox. I give an example. Checkbox first, click here, menu type, double click on it, menu options, and use checkbox. Okay, one, double click, home menu, two, double click, contact us, gallery, about us. Okay, in this way you can little bit arrange. Okay, this is an example. Next, I write amount, total amount, use this currency. Okay, this currency, you can use currency. Next, label, I use mode of payment, mode of payment, use radio button. You can pay one time, or two times. But there is one option you remember, when you select this one, both is selected, but you have one option. Double click on it, make a group name. This is a group, I write payment. Okay, so this you put same in group. It means you get one options. Payment. Okay. In this way you can make this. If you have some short note, write short note. Short note. Okay. But short note, you have to edit. Double click on it. Try to find multi-line. This one. Type of text multi-line. If single line, you will get only one. So multi-line. Okay. Then okay. The next, for sign, put label. Shift this minus, you will get like this, and put here one text box which get option to write. There is another options. I agree with above information is correct. Okay. This is option. So you make here one checkbox. So there is no need like this. Okay. If you get this here and this here, this looks flat. Okay, so now design with this. You don't want to border, double click on it, go to border size, single line, this one border, flat, but flat is coming border. So again go to down, scroll down, border tab without frame. Okay, so now how it looks? You can type, but there is no border. So in this way you can make PDF. Or there is one left called date. Here is a date function. Yeah, I put one label here. It's called date. Okay, in this way you can make the form fillable form. After finish, click on export direct as a PDF. Back, where you want to save. Okay, I save desktop. Fillable PDF form. Okay. Document ready. So now close. I'm going to open this fillable PDF. So this, in this way you can write my name, and dynamic type of menu. This is example, okay? You can add more menu, no problem. And amount, this payment type, one payment or two payment, and short note, e-commerce site. I agree. Write signature here, write name, so you want to electronic signature, how to put like this? Look my another video in I button. Okay, in this way you can print your document. Okay, so in this way you can make fillable PDF form. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel if you are new for my channel. Thank you.